Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you this strategy which we have shared in this channel. You can see the video if you go through our channel. We shared this strategy some time ago, and over this last weekend, I received a request from one of our subscribers requesting to give more details on this strategy. So today I've taken a trade. You can see I have a live trade which is running in profit based on this strategy, same way it was explained when we shared this strategy. So I will talk you through how I go through this process and how I come to the point where I decided to enter the market. So you can see how we think and how we analyze the market before taking any trade. These strategies that we are sharing on this channel, these are tested strategies. So it means if you can stick to one of the strategies and learn it very well, you'll be able to make profits just like this with the strategy. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how we analyze the markets. So you can see this is a Euro USD, and we are trading this on 1 hour time frame. Okay, the indicator which we are using is our pro trading support and resistance breakout. So this also you can find in that video. I'm going to also share the indicator again on the description box below. So all you need is go to the description box. If you don't have this, maybe you are watching or seeing our content for the first time, just go down to the description box below. You will see the first link. Copy the link and paste it on your browser. Once you paste the link on your browser, you will see the button to add the indicator to your TradingView account. This is a TradingView strategy, so please. And once you add it to your TradingView account, you just go to indicator and you will see that indicator which you added to your favorites. It will be in your favorite tab on TradingView. So you just click on it and you will have it on your chart like this. In case if you face if you are not familiar with TradingView, you just drop a comment and I will be able to guide you on a separate channel so that you can understand how to add this. But the process is very simple. So without wasting much time, let's dive in. So from here, you will see that currently these levels, these are support levels. These are support levels, okay, currently in the market. So you see, from this point, when price was coming down on this pair, at this level, this was a support. At this level, this was a support level. And when price get to this support level, what we are looking at is to see a clear reaction that the support is still maintaining its level. So once we get that clear support, that the price is resisted from going down, breaking below, is an opportunity for us at the test. When it tests here, this is the first one, here is the second one. Assuming the support is not broken and it bounces up again and come and test the third one. Once it tests it the third time, we are going to enter our trade, targeting another resistance point above. But because if you see here, price has already broken, you see at this very particular point, price has broken the support. So the moment price break the support, you will get this signal on the chart. This will appear on the chart telling you that the support has been broken. The same way, if a resistance is broken, you will get a similar thing, signal on the chart telling you that resistance has been broken. So once this is broken, we don't just jump into the market from this point, because it can be broken and it will come back again and break upward. So that is a first breakout. So sometimes you hear about a first breakout. That is what we mean by first breakout. You see price try to move and come to this point again and try to retest the support, which inversely turns to resistance. At this point, the support has turned to resistance. So we try to penetrate again, and we get this arrow telling us that the resistance at this point is still maintaining its momentum. So for us, we don't still enter because this is the second time, but the moment we come to this third part, this is the third time the resistance, which originally was a support, has now resisted the price from going up. So once we get the first arrow here telling us that the resistance is still prevailing in the market, this, by the time this candle is closed, we open our sell trade. And this, in a similar currency pair, we took a trade using the same concept. And when you open this trade here, once you open your trade here, your stop loss will be slightly above these two arrows, or the first arrow which gives you that signal. The first arrow that gives you the signal, your stop loss will be slightly above it. So, and your target is the next resistance point, or the next support will be your first target. So you know at this point, when this hits this level, there is a new support that was formed. This one was formed at the close of this second candlestick. This resistance support here was formed. So once we get this support and we enter the market here, the first target we'll be looking at is this support here. So when you enter the trade, once price hits on this support, is either you move your stop loss to break even. So if you are using that option, you just move your stop loss to break even in order to be safe in the market. Then monitor the trade. What I usually do is that once I enter here, the next support, I will take my profit, because price is going to react on the next support. And if you see, when price get to this support, there is a bit of consolidation inside. You see the whole of this area, there is big consolidation here. And the first time we got another signal telling us that support has been broken, which is on this candle. You see, it was broken below. Like what I told you, you don't just jump into the market because the support has been broken. When support is broken, price will try to retest it until that support turns to resistance. That is the time you are going to enter your trade. And you see, it breaks up. Price breaks above it again, but the price did not sustain. When the price breaks above it, you need to wait again to see whether the price is still going to maintain another 3 touch on the support. That will tell you that now the support has already taken its own course again. But because you see that price again break below the support, this is the major problem that new traders usually have in the market, because they don't understand that the candlesticks which you see on the charts, these are human beings like you and me trading the market. These are emotions. These are the psychology of people. So a lot of people will see it, okay, because they said support and resistance. Now that the support is broken, you will enter your trade here. And this was what the one of those our subscribers who sent us this request, the problem he had was because whenever he gets a support broken, he will just jump into the market. And when he jumps into the market, before you know what is happening, he places a stop loss, and the market will come back and take him out, and still go back to the same direction and continue moving. So for him, he was seeing it like somebody is monitoring him, or that the market or the trading platform has some bot which monitors his trade. So this is why I'm making this live video with a trade running, so that it will be easier for everyone to understand how the market works. So if you see, at this point, price came back and break above it and try to sustain at the top, but could not. It breaks again below it, and we get another signal again telling us that this support has been broken again. Remember, it was broken at this point. Here is being broken the second time. So what do? We need to wait to see whether we are going to get 3 touch. Remember, what we need is to have 3 confirmed touch before we can take our decision. And if you see at this very particular point here, the market came back and touched the support, which now turned to resistance. At this point, the support has turned to what? Resistance. So price came back and touched the resistance, tried to push down. Then there is another reaction and price came back again and touched the same resistance. Okay, here he tried to push back, he could not, then touch it the 3rd time. So the moment we get this one, and this last one, at the breaking down of this was the reason we took our trade at this point. So for you to understand that we didn't just jump into this trade, the reason we took the trade at this point is we're expecting that the moment the price breaks below this level, it means there is a potential that price is going to go down, because we have gotten the first one, the second one, and the third one. And if you see currently now, price is moving down. This is live market. This is not simulation, this is a live market. Okay, today you can see the date we are trading, the market, the time. Okay, so this is a live market which is currently running. This is the way the market plays out. So don't just jump into the trade because support is broken or resistance is broken. Follow this rule, because this rule is what will give you the edge to understand the points when you are expected to enter the market. So as we enter this market here, and you can see now price is moving downward. Once we get any resistance point, once we get any reaction in the market, if maybe at this point or at any point we get a reaction and get another support, that is the point again we are going to target price to come to react to, then we take our profits. When we take our profits, we wait again for price to tell us. We don't jump into the market, we allow the market to tell us what we need to do. Because what makes you a good trader and what gives us the opportunity to make money from the market is when you allow the market to give you clue what is happening and which direction is more profitable for you, which direction gives you more edge in the market. That is the point that you will be able to make profit from the market. So if you see the third action, like what I explained, okay, you will understand why we continue to make profit from the market. Because like this one, here is the first touch, this is the second touch, here is the third touch, and this cutting of this, once price close here, we are taking our trade and we are going to target the next region, which is our next support. The same thing applicable here. At this point when it was broken the second time, we are waiting for a touch. Here you have your first touch here. Here again you have another touch. Here you have another touch. At the close down of this, breaking this candlestick, we enter our sell trade and we allow the trade to play out. And we place our stop loss at this point. Our stop loss will just be slightly above this arrow, which gives us the signal. This is the arrow that gives us the confirmation of the third touch. So I believe now this is very clear for anyone to understand how to trade this support and resistance strategy. It's very simple and very easy to understand. With this explanation, I believe that everybody should be able to understand the thoughts and the trading plan on how to use this strategy and how to trade with it profitably. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment on the video, and also if you have not subscribed to our channel, also try to subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. Also let me know in the comment section if you have any question or want me to cover a specific topic. Until next time, trade smart and keep learning so that we can be profitable in the long run. Thank you and happy trading.